Critical level for Bitcoin right now, as we have just gotten a very significant move to the upside after the FOMC rate hike announcement earlier today. We need to be paying attention right here, right now, because what happens at this exact place is going to determine whether we see a bigger follow through to the upside or a major rejection. We're going to be diving into the charts, so make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the most timely and the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. Let's talk about this move to the upside and then what we need to be watching out for from here. First of all, the news came out exactly as expected, a 25 basis point rate hike. And the Bitcoin price reaction was exactly as we were also expecting this morning. This morning when I made my video, I was looking for a move to the downside right into the green box and then getting a bounce. In fact, this is what I said this morning, where we also have a daily order block right around 27.9 to 28,150. So if the Bitcoin price gets a pretty fast move to the downside, we may be able to look for a long position from this area. And that's exactly what happened. We got a really fast move to the downside after the FOMC announcement was made, and then we got a bounce. And earlier today on my live stream, we were watching the price action come down to this area, and we were saying, this looks like it really could be it. Bouncing from the 786, local CDW, low, lower low, higher high, higher low. I think this could be it, guys. Come on. So we were watching this happen, okay, and now it's official. The Bitcoin price has made a higher high locally, and we are coming up to a key zone of resistance right now. Now, this trade setup, the one I'm in right now over here on MEXC, actually, I'm sorry, this is Bitget. This is a setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord earlier this morning, where we were looking to come down to that 28,150 area with specifically bullish divergences on the 12-minute time frame. Now, if we take a look at Market Cipher B at what exactly happened at the 12-minute time frame, we can see that when we came down to this level and we take a look at Market Cipher B, we were making a higher low on the momentum waves right here as the price was making a lower low, giving us that very juicy, uneven butt cheek pattern on Market Cipher B, where we have a very juicy left butt cheek followed by a very skinny right butt cheek. And now that we are officially getting a change in market structure, what I mean by that is this, guys, we have made a low, we've made a higher high, we made a higher low, and now we have made a higher high. We need to be paying attention, because what happens in this range is critical. We have been trading within this larger range now for almost 50 days. And the reason why this is so important is because if we look at the past ranges that Bitcoin has traded before the breakout, 54 days of that December range, then right here we had about 47, 48 days in this little range before the big break. Right now, we've been trading in this range, guys. This is 48 days, which means a big break is coming soon. And we have been consolidating within this area, making lower highs and higher lows throughout the entire time, which means when this range breaks, we are going to have a very significant follow through. Right now, we are about to invalidate the bearish potential pattern that we've been looking at right now, a potential bearish head and shoulders pattern. What happens right in this area will determine whether or not we break this triangle and hit much higher targets, or we get a rejection. So these are the exact levels that we need to be looking at right now. By the way, y'all, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we gave this trade setup, and every single day we are doing 3 live streams going through the live price action, looking for trades, giving our levels, giving our setups, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click the link to join the VIP Discord. Also, if you want to learn how to trade this way, if you're struggling to become profitable, 25% discount on these trading courses. These will give you the tools and the knowledge you need to become a confident, profitable trader, even if you are a complete beginner, because it gives you that complete system so that you always know where you're looking to take a trade, where to set your take profit, stop loss, and more. Also, if you want to take advantage and trade the volatility of these markets along with me, taking these trades like the one I'm currently in, like the one I gave this morning for free, check out MEXC. This exchange right here, guys, is my new favorite exchange. 0% limit fees and 33% off market fees if you use my link. Of course, only do this if you know how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, guys, trust me, your life will be destroyed. So make sure you know what you're doing before you sign up, but it's legitimately a great deal. This is a critical time right now for Bitcoin, because as you can see, we are coming up to a major zone of resistance right here, where we have a daily level of resistance combined with the high volume node of this previous range that we were trading before the big drop to the downside. What that means is this: if we can reclaim this level of, I would say, around 29,500 is going to be a key zone. So we can draw another line right up to the 29,500 area. If we can reclaim this green box, then it becomes actually much more probable that we will then put in another higher high and come above the high that we put in on Sunday. The reason why this is so important here is because if we actually put in a higher high from what we put in on Sunday, then when we zoom out and we take a look at the potential bearish head and shoulders pattern that we could be forming right here, it will become invalidated, right? Because we had our left shoulder, we had our head, and then we had our potential right shoulder right here. Now, if we come above this high, what does that mean? It means the Bitcoin price has failed to make a lower low, failed to actually enter into that bearish market structure on a higher term time frame, and is actually now continuing to make higher highs locally, which then puts the probabilities that we will actually take out the high that we put in over here on Friday the 14th of April. And here's what that means. We have a very, very bullish target. Remember, we are trading right now, consolidating in this symmetrical triangle. And if we just take the target from the symmetrical triangle and we take it from the top to the bottom and we extrapolate to the upside, we can see that our target is coming in right above $33,000 Bitcoin. Now, why is this so important? $33,000, guys, is the next major support resistance flip going all the way back to January 2022, where we have this previous low wick followed by 2 taps of resistance right here. And so we are going to get sucked up to this $33,000 area if we can officially now start putting in bullish market structure right here. So what this means for me, guys, is if I see that we are reclaiming this level, I'm going to be holding on to the long positions. I'm in multiple long positions right now. These are all setups that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. The swing long trade given literally right from the exact bottom of this range given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, as well, guys, as the long trade that I'm currently in right now over here on Bitget from this low today. Now, of course, if we reject from here and we start putting in bearish market structure, well, that changes things, guys, and then we need to be aware of more potential move to the downside. But I wanted to come in and make this video because right now this is very, very crucial. This is a very, very crucial time. We need to be paying attention right now on the Bitcoin price. So that is it for today's video, guys. I do pray everybody is very blessed in the name of Jesus, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you are super blessed. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, guys, because you don't want to be missing these updates. I'm keeping you guys up to date on this price action minute by minute. That is it for today's video, guys. Peace.